What is up, guys? Justin here. I'm going through this creek area. There's bullhead, blue catfish, and small channels in here. There's also largemouth bass. Try not to fall down into this creek. We had quite a bit of rain last night, and where I'm actually standing is flooded when the water's high. There's a few holes here that keep 1 to 2 pound largemouth and some catfish, and it's kind of a neat area. I'm gonna try it out today using just a hand line to remain discreet, and I'll give you a look at what I'm gonna fish right now. Thanks for watching. Before we had the rain last night, I was able to look right down in these pools and see the bullhead sitting there. And they're not large, they're half pound and a little under fish. This creek does spill into a somewhat decent sized pond or small lake in a public park. Just to try to stay discreet, I didn't really bring anything but some hooks and an ice fishing pole that'll fit in my backpack. Some line, some hooks, the ice fishing pole, and that's what I'm going to use today. And I may just use a hand line. First thing I'm going to do is have to find maybe a earthworm or something that has crawled out of the dirt last night during the rain, so this stuff's really hard to walk on down here too. But anyway, so I'm going to find a piece of worm, tie up the fishing pole, and I believe I may even run a small float, but I'm not exactly sure yet. I do know there's an apartment complex right here by me, and I want to get moving on this quickly. And so it's slightly polluted. I would never eat a damn thing out of there, to be honest with you. But I think I should be able to find some worms somewhere up here. I might also add, the sky looks like absolute junk today. I shouldn't get rained on, but it sure looks like it. Cool thing is, there's still crickets hopping around, so I've found some bait. Live cricket, I'm gonna cast it in. Oh yeah. Oh. So a second ago, I actually pulled right up this little sunfish. He's dirty now, but this little guy came right out of this creek, and that's all you have to do is come down here, grab a worm or something like that, cast out, and you can catch these beautiful fish, guys. And back in the water. Now, just to give you an idea of what I did, all I did was take a small bait holder hook, a little bigger than I'd like, an ice fishing pole, and some line wrapped around it. And it's that simple. It's all I've done to catch these fish. Anybody can do it. Dig a worm, grasshopper, or anything else. And it's that simple, right in your city. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Peace.